Did you know that Gen Z has the potential to be the wealthiest generation ever? Yes, you heard that right. Despite the challenges they face, such as student loan debt, rising living costs, and economic uncertainty, there is a silver lining. With the right strategies and mindset, Gen Z could potentially amass an average net worth of $580,000 in their lifetime. Yes, you read that right. This figure might seem astronomical, especially when considering the current economic climate, but it's a real possibility, supported by various financial experts and economic analysts. Some experts predict they could amass an average net worth of $580,000 in their lifetime. This prediction is based on several factors, including the potential for higher earnings, the power of compound interest, and the increasing accessibility of financial tools and resources. This might sound unbelievable given the current economic climate, but it's a real possibility. The key lies in how well Gen Z can navigate the financial landscape, make informed decisions, and leverage the opportunities available to them. However, potential doesn't equal reality. The road to financial success is fraught with challenges and obstacles. It's not just about earning more money, it's about managing it wisely and making it work for you. The question is, will Gen Z seize this opportunity, or will they let it slip through their fingers? The answer hinges on a crucial factor: financial literacy. Without a solid understanding of financial principles, even the best opportunities can be missed. The answer hinges on a crucial factor: financial literacy. This isn't just about understanding complex investment strategies, it's about mastering the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing early on. Financial literacy empowers individuals to make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and build a secure financial future. This isn't just about understanding complex investment strategies, it's about mastering the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing early on. These foundational skills are the building blocks of financial success. They enable individuals to set realistic goals, track their progress, and adjust their strategies as needed. It's about mastering the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing early on. By starting early, Gen Z can take advantage of the power of compound interest, which can significantly boost their savings over time. Additionally, developing good financial habits now can lead to a lifetime of financial stability and growth. Gen Z, this is your wake-up call. Your financial future is in your hands. The choices you make today will shape your tomorrow. Embrace financial literacy, seek out resources, and don't be afraid to ask for help. There are countless tools and platforms available to guide you on your journey. Your financial future is in your hands. The time to take control is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start where you are with what you have. Every small step you take towards financial literacy and responsibility brings you closer to your goal. The time to take control is now. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay informed, and stay motivated. Your future self will thank you. Gen Z possesses a unique advantage. They are digital natives. This means they have grown up in a world where technology is not just a tool, but an integral part of their daily lives. From a young age, they have been exposed to the internet, smartphones, and a plethora of digital devices that have shaped their understanding of the world. This constant interaction with technology has given them a level of comfort and proficiency that previous generations had to learn over time. They've grown up with technology at their fingertips, making it second nature to them. This familiarity allows them to navigate the digital landscape with ease, whether it's for socializing, learning, or managing their finances. They are adept at using apps and online platforms to handle various aspects of their lives, from budgeting to investing. This digital fluency is a significant asset in today's fast-paced, tech-driven world, making it easier than ever to access financial information and tools. With just a few taps on their smartphones, they can check their bank balances, transfer money, and even invest in stocks. There are countless apps designed to help them save money, track expenses, and plan for the future. This accessibility to financial tools empowers them to take control of their financial health in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. This generation understands the power of online platforms and social media. They use these tools not just for entertainment but also for education and networking. Social media platforms are filled with influencers and financial experts who share tips and advice on managing money, investing, and building wealth. Gen Z is quick to leverage these resources, learning from the experiences and insights of others to make informed financial decisions. They are natural entrepreneurs and innovators. Many young people in this generation are starting their own businesses, driven by the desire to create something new and impactful. They are not afraid to take risks and are often more willing to embrace unconventional career paths. This entrepreneurial spirit is fueled by the vast amount of information and resources available online, allowing them to learn new skills, market their products, and reach a global audience with relative ease. However, this generation also faces unprecedented challenges. Despite their digital prowess, they are not immune to the economic pressures that come with modern life. The cost of education has skyrocketed, leaving many young people burdened with significant student loan debt. This financial strain can be overwhelming, affecting their ability to save, invest, and plan for the future. Student loan debt is at an all-time high. The average student graduates with tens of thousands of dollars in debt, which can take decades to repay. This debt can limit their financial freedom, making it difficult to buy a home, start a family, or invest in their future. The pressure to repay these loans can also impact their mental health, leading to stress and anxiety. The cost of living continues to rise. Housing, healthcare, and everyday expenses are becoming increasingly unaffordable, especially in urban areas where many young people live and work. This financial strain can make it challenging to save money and build wealth, even for those who are diligent about managing their finances. The gap between income and expenses is widening, making it harder for Gen Z to achieve financial stability. And many young people lack basic financial education. Despite their access to information, there is still a significant gap in financial literacy. Many schools do not offer comprehensive financial education, leaving young people to navigate complex financial decisions on their own. This lack of knowledge can lead to poor financial choices, such as taking on high-interest debt or failing to save for emergencies. This creates a perfect storm where Gen Z could either rise to the occasion or succumb to financial instability. The choices they make today will have a lasting impact on their financial future. By leveraging their digital skills and seeking out financial education, they have the potential to build a secure and prosperous future. However, without the right guidance and support, they risk falling into debt and financial hardship. The choices they make today will have a ripple effect for decades to come. It is crucial for Gen Z to take proactive steps towards financial literacy and stability. By making informed decisions and seeking out resources, they can navigate the challenges ahead and build a strong financial foundation for themselves and future generations. Let's be real, the odds are stacked against Gen Z. College costs are exorbitant, leaving many saddled with crippling student loan debt before they even enter the workforce. The job market is competitive, and wages haven't kept pace with the rising cost of living. On top of that, traditional financial education is often lacking. Many young people graduate high school without basic knowledge of budgeting, saving, or investing. This lack of financial literacy makes them vulnerable to predatory lending practices, get-rich-quick schemes, and poor financial decisions. Despite these challenges, Gen Z has the power to turn the tide and shape their future. The key is to adopt a proactive and informed approach to their finances and investments. Investing in the stock market, even with small amounts, can yield significant returns over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Entrepreneurship is another viable path to financial independence. Gen Z is brimming with innovative ideas and creative solutions. They can leverage technology to create online businesses, side hustles, and passive income streams. The internet provides endless opportunities to monetize their skills and passions effectively. Section 5. The Side Hustle Superpower, a Case Study in Success. Take the example of Sarah, a 22-year-old recent graduate who turned her passion for photography into a thriving side business. Sarah had always been fascinated by the art of capturing moments. From a young age, she would spend hours experimenting with her camera, learning the intricacies of lighting, composition, and editing. Her friends and family often praised her talent, but it wasn't until she graduated that she considered turning her hobby into a source of income. Bogged down by student loans, she started by offering affordable photo shoots to friends and family. Her initial clients were more than happy to support her, and word of mouth quickly spread. Sarah's unique style and ability to make her subjects feel comfortable in front of the camera set her apart from other photographers. She began to receive more requests for photo shoots, ranging from family portraits to engagement sessions. She then leveraged social media to showcase her work and attract new clients. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook became her virtual portfolio, where she could display her best shots and share behind-the-scenes glimpses of her photo shoots. Sarah also engaged with her audience by posting photography tips and tricks, which helped her build a loyal following. Her online presence grew, and soon she was receiving inquiries from people outside her immediate circle. Within a year, she was earning enough from her side hustle to cover her student loan payments and invest in new equipment. The additional income allowed her to purchase high-quality lenses, lighting equipment, and editing software, which further enhanced the quality of her work. Sarah's confidence grew as she saw her business flourish, and she began to take on more ambitious projects, such as wedding photography and commercial shoots. This is just one example of how Gen Z can use their skills and resources to build wealth. Sarah's story illustrates the power of combining passion with entrepreneurship. By identifying a market need and leveraging modern tools like social media, young people today have unprecedented opportunities to create successful businesses. Whether it's photography, graphic design, coding, or any other skill, the potential for turning a side hustle into a main source of income is immense. The key is to stay dedicated, continuously improve, and never underestimate the value of networking and self-promotion. Section 6. Your Wealth Building Toolkit. Strategies to bank on. The path to wealth isn't a mystery. It starts with mastering the fundamentals. Create a budget that aligns with your goals. Track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Automate your savings so you're consistently putting money aside. Once you have a solid financial foundation, explore investment options like low-cost index funds or ETFs. Consider starting a side hustle or freelancing to generate additional income streams. The key is to take action and be consistent. Remember, small steps taken consistently over time lead to massive results. Section 7. The future is bright. Gen Z takes control. Gen Z has the potential to redefine wealth and success. They're not afraid to challenge the status quo and forge their own paths. They value experiences over material possessions and are passionate about making a difference in the world. By embracing financial literacy, they can break free from the cycle of debt and build a brighter future for themselves and generations to come. The future is bright, but it's up to Gen Z to seize the opportunity. Section 8. Join the conversation. Share your wealth-building journey. What steps are you taking to secure your financial future? Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about how Gen Z can achieve financial freedom and create a more equitable world.